Hi everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question such a 2D matrix. You are given a n by n integer matrix with the following two properties. Each row is sorted in non-decreasing order, so the number is increasing like this, and this, and this. And second is the first integer of each row, like 10 or 23, is greater than the last integer of the previous row. So 23 is greater than previous row, last integer of previous row, so 20, and 10 is greater than 7. So given an integer target, return true if target is in matrix or false otherwise. You must write a solution in order of log m multiply n time complexity. So let's see the example. So you are given this matrix and the target is 3, and in this case we can find the 3 in the first row, so that's why output is 2. Yeah, it's very simple question, and but the tricky point is that we have to use the a binary search twice. So yeah, I'll explain how to solve this question. Okay, so let me explain with this example. Actually, I already wrote down some algorithm. So first of all, we have to find the target row. So target row means which row has a target number. So to do that, so T stands for top row. In this case, 0 here. This row, 0, and B stands for bottom. So equal to, so 0, 1, 2. So this is a bottom row, and the target is 3. And first of all, find the middle row. So we execute the binary search with a row. So try to find the middle row. In this case, 0 plus 2 divided 2, and which is 1. So 1 is this row. And I already wrote a algorithm. And so in the middle row here, first value is less than target. So 10 is less than 3. It's not. So it's already a false case, but let me continue this. And last is greater than target. In that case, immediately break. But in this case, it's not. So move down. So else if first is greater than target, so 10 is greater than target, yes. So that's why we go to this condition. So else case is the opposite of if else. So in this case, we go to else if. So in that case, update bottom with a middle -1. So bottom is now 2, and update middle -1. So 1 minus 1, so which is 0. And then let's continue. So conditions should be, so top row is less than or equal bottom. In that case, we continue. So in this case, it's top and the bottom equal 0, so we should continue. And in this case, middle row should be 0. 0 plus 0 and divide 2, 0. Right? And then, so next target row should be, so let me change the color here. And let's check. So first value 1 is less than target 3, yes. And then last value 7 is greater than target, yes. So there is a possibility that this matrix has target number in the first row, which is a 0 row. So yeah, so that's why we focus on this row. And then break. Then we finish this logic. Yeah, so that is the first part. of algorithm. So I'll explain second part, but before that, let me write the code for the first part. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, initialize these variables. So top equals 0, and the bottom equal length of matrix minus 1. And then start looping to execute a binary search. And while top is less than or equal bottom, in that case, we continue binary search with row. So first of all, find a middle row equal top plus bottom and divide 2. And then we will get a middle row. And then next, we implement this condition. So first of all, this condition. So now target row is middle. So if matrix middle and the first value, which is 0, is less than target, and matrix middle row and the last value is greater than target, in that case, we immediately break. And else if matrix and middle and the first value is greater than target, in that case, we should update bottom with middle minus 1. So bottom equal middle minus 1. And then else, the opposite of else if. So top equal middle plus 1. So middle plus 1. And then we will find the target row. So after that, so keep target row. So let's call just row equal. So what is a target row? So this one, right? So I copy this and I keep the target row as a row variable. And then let me explain for the second part. Okay, so let's talk about the second part. So second part is very easy, just a normal binary search. So we know that we have target, we might have target number in the first row, so which is a 0 row. So we execute the binary search with 0 row here. So binary search use the 2 pointer, left pointer, right pointer. So left pointer initialized with 0. Right pointer is initialized with the last index 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, so 3. And so this is a target row, and this is a target number 3. So we have to find the target number 3. And first of all, calculate the middle index. How can we do that? So just 0 plus 3 divided 2, so which is 1. So, and this is a logic to find the target 3. And so we fix the row number, so 0. This M stands for matrix. So 0 and the middle 1 equal target. So 0 row and the middle index is 1. 3 is a target 3. Yeah, actually that is true. And then we should return true in this case. But if not the case, we go down the next condition. So row middle is greater than target. In that case, we have to move right pointer with to middle minus 1. And then if not the case, we go else case and update left pointer with middle plus 1. Yeah, in this case, we find the target number 3 immediately, so that's why in this case we should return true. Yeah, so that is the second part. So let's write the code. Okay, so let's write the code for the second part. So first of all, initialize left pointer with 0, and the right pointer should be length of matrix and row minus 1, because this is an index. And while left pointer is less than or equal right. In that case, first of all, calculate the middle index. So middle index should be left plus right divide 2. And then if matrix and row and the middle, so this case equal target. In that case, return true. Else if, so we will going to write this condition. So else if matrix row and the middle is greater than target. In that case, we have to move right pointer to middle -1. Else, and it's the opposite case of else if. So left equal middle +1. Oops, middle +1. And then if we don't find the target number, in that case, just return false. Yeah, so that's it. Let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And that's all I have for you today. So if you like it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. Oh, yeah, actually I reached 200 subscribers. So thank you for subscribing my channel. So I'll see you in the next question.